Non-fail-safe operation fail-secure. In this configuration, the application of electric current will cause the Yala to open. The mechanical components ensure opening from the inside even in case of power outages. It fits intercom solutions with intercom or access control systems. It can be installed in residential buildings, commercial spaces, hotels, schools, warehouses, institutions, etc. Yala works powered by a current of 12 volts, maximum 1 ampere. The opening command is made by electric impulse or manual operation. With its stainless steel housing, this electromagnetic lock is suitable for many exterior or interior doors. Mounting on the door can be done depending on the specifics of the installation, with the possibility of changing the opening direction. The electromagnetic Yala PNI H1073A complies with the IP66 dust and water protection standard.